welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. On today's video, okay, you're going to ask me how she's looking like that. Yes, this is my real hair. This is who I am, and it's nothing better than embrace yourself, your true self. So this is my hair. You know, it's winter, it's cold. I'm not having a good day with my hair. You know, I'm not having good hair days. No, not at all. I am a mom. I'm an entrepreneur. I work part-time, and sometimes I don't have time to do my hair. This is the real truth. So guys, I decided on Friday I went to a material shop that was Moscow Central, and I found this lovely stretch satin. It stretches one side, you can see, and I decided to make a headscarf, a turban, right? I have a cotton one, African material, but I decided something more formal, something more casual, something look more expensive, so I decided to go for this satin. I cut it and I finished the ends with the overlocking machine. Yes, now I'm going to show you the style that I like so much, how to do that style. If you have already your own, you can use your own. If you don't, but I will teach you this style.
Let's get started.
It's very nice. You can embrace yourself, your real hair, show the world how you are without pretending. Yeah, you need to embrace who you are. So first you grab your scarf and you fold a bit, just a tiny bit, like 3 fingers. After that, you put the scarf like this. Can you see me? Yes, I see equal size, equal left and right equal. Important needs to be everything equal. After, you give a note like this, not too tight, yeah, but not too loose, because if you are a sensitive person, this can give you some headache. No, something not too tight, not too loose. A note, tight, not too loose. The most important is to have this hole here. Yes, you see a hole, but not too tight, not too loose, please, because it can give you a headache. Can you see? Your hands can go through. Yes, a hole. Now the lovely part, the magic, this side goes inside, but as an angle like this, and this one they're going to overlap each other, and this one is going this side. Put everything inside, and this part goes in front. You fold it a bit to look nice and crisp, hiding the edges. Thanks God that I have an overlock that saved me. Look, you like it? I like it. Now going to put a bit of makeup to hide this at circle. Right, I'm going to get some makeup, some lip gloss. I start with the lip gloss. Should be the last one. That my lips are very dry. Need more water. That's the reality. I don't drink too much water. It's spilling. I should do some exfoliation with sugar and honey, brown sugar and honey, all the counter brush teeth over. That's, yeah, but gentle and works as well. I don't know if you know this trick. Yeah. So let me clean my hands. Sticky. That's wears makeup all the time, so I like my skin to look nice and fresh. Put some cream to hydrate my face. This cream is Aveno, baby, you know. I don't like things that are too strong in chemicals. You too, you should avoid chemicals. This blouse, before I start with concealer and some powder and all this. Shall I swap for this blouse or keep this one? Handmade trousers, handmade. I made myself. And this blouse, I love it. I made myself as well. Shall I swap? This looks nice, but not with this trouser, with a black trouser. Shall I swap? Yes or no? No, I am on a rush. I need to go out. So no, I'm not going to swap. I'm going to keep it like this. I do sleep, but maybe I don't sleep enough. I do drink water, but maybe I'm not drinking water enough. I'm going to apply some concealer. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, so I just do my makeup like I know. And of course, I check some YouTube tutorials as well, TikTok as well, to help me out. No, I'm not professional, but you know. That I learned is to do the concealer like this as a triangle. Yes, and do with your fingers. A guy on TikTok, he was doing like this as a makeup, as a guy, you know, a guy. He said that use your hands more often. Yeah, let me. The guy said that. To put some concealer. I am someone, I have a lot of dark circles. Some powders. This is broken already. I dropped and recently. This is my first powder. My daughter as well. I have a girl, a daughter. She's 4 years old and she's very, 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 very naughty. And she dropped this and it's all broken. Oh my god, I got powder on my eyes. You see guys, I'm not that person with makeup. It's not because I don't know, it's not my thing, or I don't know, anyone has their talent. Mine is not makeup. Definitely mine is making dresses. Okay, I have my hair showing here. Let's put inside. Yeah, but I like I said, on daily basis I don't like to put too much makeup, or sometimes I don't put none. My skin fresh and light. Yes, you know, when I used to be younger, I would like to look older and put a lot of makeup. Now I'm getting older, I want to look more younger. I don't put makeup. That's the real truth with me. So I'm not lying. Yeah, it's much better. Yeah, yeah. Give some color to my eyebrows because they are very light. I'd like to have a thicker one hair, but I don't have. It's okay. It's not a big deal. Like I said, we need to embrace our body, everything in our body. Yes, that's the main thing. Okay, it's good. You can see more. I give you a little touch. Yeah, I like natural things. I am a naturalist person. Yeah, so yeah, like this. I need the earrings. I'm going to material shop. I need to buy some stuff. I'm making a dress. I'm going to show you a bit of the dress. I'm making that, and I need some stretch fabric to make the bottom of the dress. Yes. Let's put earrings. At the moment, these pearls, I think they look nice to everyone. I don't like something too heavy. I'm a very low-key style, so yeah, I don't like too much. No, I like a clean look, nothing that much. Yes, so yeah. Oh, this one saves me and looks so elegant. Yeah, so now my jacket. Which jacket I'm going to wear today? Shall I put where? I'm like using this system. Shall I put a black jacket and you can see everything black here, or shall I put a brown one? Let me see. But my turban. I'm going for a blazer, a black blazer, and after I'm going to put a jacket. Yes, much better like this. I like blazers so much. This one is a man one because I like the oversized. I like oversized stuff. Yeah, this is a black one. So I think I'll put a brown jacket on top. Yeah, I don't want to look too darky anyways. I'm already dark. Wearing dark under. That's what I mean. Yeah. I'm going to put a brown jacket, my sunglasses. I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go? Are you ready? Like this. Play it. I like women. I really like this jacket. So can you see? I think the ground. When I close the jacket, I look very clean and minimalistic. You don't know what is under because the jacket is very long. I'm wearing beige sneakers. I will show you. Look, and I have sunglasses, ladies. Sunglasses are the thing. Babies, Gucci's, beautiful people. Never leave the house without a pair of sunglasses. You know, they look your statement look. They finish the look. Definitely. I like to show you this one. You got a body like a model. You got a body I'm feeling. Open up a bottle. Reach out for this one. This one. This is more retro vibe. High cut style. Oh, I love this one so much. So this one I bought from TK. And this one I bought in this shop, store shops, outside one, the road one, high road. Yeah, it's okay, but affordable, so I'm not going to like someone they buy expensive stuff, unfortunately, but I don't know. What's the matter? If you like something, you buy. Yeah. This one, I think looks good with my outfit. Yeah. I like something very minimalist, something that looks nice, that's not too much noise. I'm a low-key girl, so I know where my style stands, so I know very well. So yeah, I love it. Guys, I'm ready to go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, share. So this YouTube channel is not just about sewing, is more than that. So it's about sewing, fashion, my brand, business tip, a lot of stuff, styling, everything in one, everything a full package. So thank you, take care, see you on the next video. We are out and about.